Hey everyone, today I just want to show a quick little railing tip. And so we're in this project right now, and I have the railing selected and edited. And so if we look here and we go to 3D here, you can see our railing is offset from the edge here. And so normally when you would do a railing like this, you'd go up to architecture, you'd go to the railing button, and you would draw that railing with either an offset of 3 inches or just manually draw it out where you want it to be. Well, there's a little bit of a simpler way of doing that. And so if we click here on the edit path button, I'm going to go ahead and just delete all this railing. And we're in the process of still working on the design on this project, so it's a little bit rough. But with the railing here, what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to click the pick line and click lock here. And so what I'm going to do is I want to click all my boundaries of our area that we want the railing on. And then this last one, it's we've got a roof here, so I'm just going to pull it back so it's not in the roof. And we have this set on that outer edge now. So I'm just going to click the check mark here. And when we go back to our 3D here, you'll see that railing is hanging over the edge. Well, now what we can do is we can click our base, we can click our offset from path here. We can go to, let's just say 4 inches in, and it'll automatically shift that railing in. And then the cool part about this is, let's just say we change the parameters of our floor, it'll automatically move that railing out to that floor. So that's a little quick tip today on how to draw railings more efficiently within Revit.